Okay, children, here we are doing another construction of what? A parallelogram. And which PQ is 6.2, QR is 7.2, and angle Q is given 60 degree. That's why I draw here first of all like this, okay, 6.2, okay. And after that, right here P, right here Q, okay, and its length also mentioned as 6.2 centimeter like this, okay. And then we have to take the help of this compass, okay. Now take here one appropriate arc, okay, and cut here one arc like this main arc, and for the 60 degree, now from this 0 degree, cut this arc here. This is 60 degree. Now take the help of ruler and here like this, look here, join it, okay, like this long line this is, and right here 60 degree. And after that we know that Q to R is 7.2. That's in we have to take this arc 7.1 and this 7.2, okay, and take this arc length is, look here, like this measure, okay, like this, take it, yes. Now this is, okay, take it exactly 7.2, then from here and this also here, and then from the point Q, okay, we are cutting this length, look here, this length we are cutting little bit of 7.2, okay, this is, now cut this side like this, right, this is 7.2, and same here also opposite sides, here also got 7.2, okay, and we know now this opposite sides are equal, so that we are going to measure this one, right, from here to here, this opposite sides, then cut from this one point, okay, this is opposite sides equal now, okay. Now let's join them with the help of ruler, see here, and like this put ruler and join it, okay, like this join, and here also, now we have to join this, join it, okay, like this, and this is now PQRS, okay. How to construct the parallelogram when there is given two diagonal, I am going to show you here, okay. See here, first of all draw one diagonal whose length is there is 8 centimeter, right, this is 8 centimeter, draw like this, okay, its name is there given, you can draw this little bit up, there be there must be space down also, this is 8 centimeter, okay, like this, and right here DG, okay, DG, and we know that they bisect, okay, Okay, that's why take more than half. Okay, more than half arc and cut this up and down also. Cut down also arc like this. Okay, and from here also cut up and down. Okay, like this, cut up also and cut down also, because diagonal bisect each other, they are intersecting. That's why do a bit long arc like this. Okay, from here also see like this. Okay, and put at the side, and this is for the here. This is for the midpoint, right? And this here one is got here, here also got here one, and this got here. Okay, this is not straight split bit. Okay, this ruler put okay this side, then this will be here cut like this. Okay, anyway, our aim is to find out this midpoint. It has come. Now here we have to construct 75 degree. Okay, here we have to construct 75. For that, take here one arc and draw here like this main arc. Okay, and from here it is for 60. Okay, this is for 60, and from 60 to up also, right? And this is for 90, and from here from 60 to this side cut, this is for 120. Now from here to up here, this is for 90. Okay, and for that, this is straight will come, no? It is come straight, and now here's for the main arc cutting. This is for 90. Now cut from 90 this side. Okay, this is for 75 degree. Okay, cut from 60 and 90 like this. Okay, cut like this. Okay, this is for 75, and now join that 75 degree here. See like this, join like this. Okay, this is for 75, right? And there is given another diagonal. Another diagonal is given there 5 centimeter. Okay, right? Then it will be half, no, there. From here, see, take the help of compass. Okay, 5 half, what will be there? 2.5. That's why write it 2.5 here. Take like this, take 2.5 and cut from here up. Okay, this is 2.5, and down also take here. Okay, cut like this also, down also 2.5, right? Then put at the side this 2.5, 2.5. Now join this here. Okay, now join this. Where are they cutting? Where are they intersected? Join them like this. Put ruler. Okay, like this, join. See here and join this. Okay, this join little bit down coming this and join here. Okay, like this, and this also join here. mm, yes, this also join, right? Now we have to join this two parts. Okay, also then you will get one complete parallelogram, right? Okay, so now this is the left part to join it here like this, join. Okay, this part, and same put ruler here also. Okay, this opposite side must be join this like this. Okay, now we can put the name also here. This is D. Okay, it was DF. Okay, this is F, this is G, and this is H. Okay, then we get here required parallelogram, right? This is the way to construct it. Okay, here is the construction of parallelogram PQRS. And in this parallelogram, first of all draw this base. Okay, this is 7.2 centimeter. Okay, draw up to here 7.2, and right here Q. Okay, R 7.2 centimeter, like this 7.2 centimeter. Then with the help of okay compass, now here take one appropriate arc. Okay, and cut here one main arc. Okay, right, cut like this main arc, cut like this main arc, and we cut from here 0 degree to this side. Okay, this side, this is 60, 60, again 60 to cut here, this only 20, and cut up. Okay, here it is for 90, and now cut from 120 to up here. Okay, this is for 90, right? Now take the help of ruler. Okay, now see here, put this side. Okay, and now here is the, this is 91. Okay, this is 91. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, degree 1, and here we have to join it in 3 places. Okay, here also, and this is for the okay 90. Now take the help of compass, and okay, from this for this side, this is for the 45. Okay, this is for the 45, and now join this angle like this, right? Okay, like this, and it is, this is 45 degree. Okay, and now we know this is from here to here, that is 6.5. Then measure here 6.5 here. Where 6.5 is here? This is 6.5. Okay, cut like this. Okay, this take arc like this, and now from here to this one. This is the length of 6.5, right? Is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, and here join till the end, and now here is, look here, this length is not given. We have to join this 2 points. Already came here, point, right? In point already came here. That's why join them here. Okay, like this, put here, and join this, right? Like this one. Okay, this point name is here S. Okay, put a S, and then after here also move this. Okay, see this one. Look here, this side length is not given. We have to measure like this. Look here, because this opposite sides are equal. That's why put from here to here, cut like this. Okay, cut like this, and same. Now measure this one 7.2. Okay, and then again from S. Okay, from S to here, this side cut. Okay, this side cut. This is like this here. This join here first, like this join, and then we have to join this upper one now. Then you will get required this one join. Okay, this join with the help of ruler. Okay, then you will get the Here I have taken a parallelogram PQRS in which PQ equals to 6.2 centimeter, QR equals to 7.5, and angle Q equals 60 degree. And in such case, how to construct this parallelogram I want to show you. Okay. First of all, look this rough sketch here, and PQ is given there 6.2, right? Draw 6.2, right? Like this, draw 6.2, okay? And right here, P, Q, okay? Right here, Q here, okay? And it's mentioned here 6.2 centimeter, mentioned here. And then after we have to draw here at the point Q, okay? Take one appropriate arc and construct here one main arc here like this, okay? And from this 0 degree cut here up, okay? This is 60 degree and put here at the side, and then with the help of ruler join this, okay? 60-degree angle like this, join, and construct here with the line, okay? And mention here 60 degree, okay? And then take the help of compass, okay, this one, and ruler, and in this ruler like this measure, okay? And put here at 0 and move it till 7.2 here, okay? This is 7.2, okay? And then from here, see, from this Q and cut this side, okay? Like this cut, and it is a little bit longer side, that's why look, this side is going up here, okay? Like this one hit, and same here, opposite sides are equal, you can make it same, okay? Here also, okay? Like this sides are a little bit longer. Here mention here 7.2 centimeter, okay? Then as we know opposite sides are equal, that's why we have to take this sides, look, length equal from P to Q, and now here from, okay, it is going a little bit out, that's why here draw like this, okay, right, draw like this, cut like this, okay. And now see here, from here to here it is 7.2, again measure this opposite sides, okay, like this, okay. And from here cut this, okay, cut like this, and now put the compass at the side, and then now join it, okay, like this, right? Okay, now put ruler like this and join from here, and after this one also join, right? Opposite sides like this side is left to join, then it will be complete figure, okay? And join this like this, and you will get the required, this is the required parallelogram, right? Hello students, look here. I'm going to construct a square here in which one diagonal is given 7.4 centimeter. Okay, as we know that both the diagonals are equal, right? And they are bisected also, and angle between them is 90 degree. Okay, that's why first of all I'm doing here one diagonal. Okay, it is of it is of look 7.4 centimeter, right? Like this, and writing here its name is K M. Okay, this diagonal, and it is of 7.4 centimeter, right? And we need to bisect the diagonal here also. Okay, and for that we have to take more than half. Okay, and cut the arc up also here like this, cut like this up. Okay, and down also cut down. Okay, like this cut here also, and from the point M also cut like this arc. This is for the bisection of this line. Okay, and down also cut like this. Okay, arc. And now we have to repeat from here because there is not intersecting that way. Here also, look, we're repeating this one. Okay, this is for the exactly half of the diagonal bisecting. Okay, diagonals are bisecting each other. They are cutting each other at 90 degree also. Okay, the angle between the two diagonal will be 90 degree. Okay, that's why put it straight here like this, and like this particular. Okay, and join like this now, little bit like this. Okay, okay, like this we bisect the diagonals. Okay, and here is also 90 degree came. Okay, and after this, look here, we have to take the help of compass. As we know, right, this one, look at this part, this is the half of 7.4, right? The same thing got here also, up also like this, got up like this. Okay, this is the half of the 7.4, and down also got like this. Okay, this is the half of, this is also half of 7.4, right? And the line is not longer, that's why we can make it little longer line here like this, right? And now wherever they caught each other, okay, now join them. See here, like this we have to join these two. Okay, put ruler like this. Okay, and join like this here, and same thing do here also. Join these 2 points. Okay, here also join these 2 points, and now we are joining these 2 points. Look here. Okay, join here also like this join, and it is KL. Okay, this is L, M, it is N. Okay, and now put this also here, straight, and join them like this one, and we get the square KLMN. Okay, right, therefore KLMN is the square. KLM is the required figure. Okay, is a required figure. Okay, And in next question, look here, children, I have taken construction of square. Okay, in square PQRS, PQ is given, one side is given 5 centimeter. We know that all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. That's why first of all draw here. Look how I draw. Draw this side is 5 centimeter. Okay, draw this side 5 centimeter and write your name PQ. Okay, and it height here 5 centimeter. Also mention it here. Okay, and as we know that each angle of the square is 90 degrees, that's why take one appropriate arc and wait. Draw here one main arc like this. Okay, main arc, and with the help of this main arc, look at 0 degree, and now cut here. This is 60 degree, right? This is 60 degree arc for the 60. Now 60 from 60 to again cut this side. This is 120 degree, we know. And now from 60 to up, cut like this, okay? And now from 120 to up this side, okay? Cut like this. This is for, we know this is for, okay, this is kept a little bit, a bit different point here like this. That's why put it at like this 120 and cut like this, okay? This is for 90 degree. Now cut from here also, okay? Like this, look here. This is for 90 degree, clear? And after this 90 degree, look, now take the help of ruler and we have to join, okay, this point for this 90 degree, okay? Like this join, right? Like this join here. And now look, Celine, we know that it's all sides are equal. That's why what was the length here, previous one? See here, this PQ length, okay? And that much length you have to cut here also. See, here also cut up. This is also 5 point. This 5 only, okay? 5 centimeter. And from here, wherever it cuts now, from this point to here, this point, this side also cut here. This 5 centimeter long arc. And now from this point Q to cut up also here, okay? This also cut like this from Q. This also 5 centimeter. Now let's join. This is PQ, this R point here is PQR, here is S, okay? Now let's join them with the help of ruler, like this, put ruler and like this, okay, straight, and draw here line segment, and similarly here also put like this, okay, ruler, and put the ruler like this and join like this, okay? Then we got here PQRS. These all sides are equal in length, okay? These all sides are equal in length. This is the process to construct the right here. Therefore, we can write PQRS, okay, is the required square. That is the required square, okay? At the bottom of the figure, write like this, required square, okay? Then it will be correct. Then our construction of the square finish, okay? Students, welcome to my class. Here I have taken the questions of construction of rectangle, okay? And according to this question, first of all, draw the rough sketch at the side, okay? In which AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 4.5 centimeter, okay? And one angle is here 90 degree. It is according to the properties, okay? Now let's take the help of ruler and draw here this, okay? This side 6 centimeter long, okay? Like this 6 centimeter long take, and right here one in, this is A and this is B, okay? And mention here 6 centimeter, okay? Like the 6 centimeter length. And then after, now we have to take the help of, okay, compass, and put compass here at A and take one here appropriate arc, this one, okay? Take one arc, neither too much long and not too much short, okay? Then draw here one main arc, this is, okay? Like this, draw main arc, okay? Now here we have to put at 0 and chord, this is 60 degree, okay? That's the arc for 60 degree. From 60 degree chord again down here, this is for 120, then chord it up, okay? This is for 90 degree, and now here, okay, chord like this is for 90, and with the help of ruler, okay, now join this 90 degree, okay, join here, put the ruler straight, okay, and okay, like this, put straight, and cut here like this, okay, this is a little bit not straight, okay, that's why put the ruler a little bit straight and draw here, okay, like this, draw this 90 degree, and now ruler put this side, and now we have to measure this B to C. Look, B to C is 4.5. That's why in ruler like this, put at 0 and move it up to 4.5. Okay, like this, 4.5. And now cut from here. Look, children, from here to cut this side like this. Okay, this is the length, okay, of 4.5 centimeter. And after that, here also cut because opposite sides are equal. Okay, this also cut this side. Okay, like this cut. This also 4.5, right? And after that, look, we have to change this one A to B. A to B is here 6 centimeter. That's why we have to measure this again because we have to make the opposite sides equal, right? This is 6 centimeter. Now put here at this point, okay? Now cut from here to here, okay? Like this cut because these opposite sides are equal, right? Now we have to join this point, look here, and this point join here with the help of ruler and connect this one like this join, right? And then now upper one also let's join here like this, okay, put ruler straight, and now draw here line, okay, like this. And after that, look here, A B, then mention here this is 4.5 centimeter, okay, this is 4.5 centimeter right here, and this is C, okay, and this is D, right? This is also 6 centimeter, and this is also 4.5 centimeter, right? Like this we get ABCD, right? Therefore ABCD is a required rectangle. ABCD is a required rectangle. Okay, right, required right here, required rectangle. Okay, rectangle right here. Okay, it is the next type of rectangle in which one side is given and one diagonal is given, okay, in the question. And we have to understand, look here, by looking at this rough sketch, we have to understand that we have to draw this angle 90 degree ourselves, okay. Look, first of all, we have to take the help of ruler and draw here 5.2 centimeter long line, okay, and mention here the name, okay, here like this is K. By looking that rough sketch, okay, KL, this is 5.2, I mention here 5.2 centimeter, okay. Now take the help of compass and take one appropriate arc, okay, here, neither too much big, okay, neither, okay, too short also, and take here one arc like this, because we have to draw here 90 degree, right? And now for that, put the compass at 0 and draw here 60 like this. And from 60, okay, you see, this is okay. I am repeating this work again. And from 0 degree, I have got here 60. And now from 60, okay, cutting here this on the 20. Now up, this is for 90, okay. Now cut from 60 to here, okay. Cut this side, this is for 90, okay. Now for this 90 degree, let's join, okay, this 90 degree with the help of ruler and draw this line like this, okay. State this is 90 degree one, mention here 90 degree, and we have here now this one, look at diagonal NL, its length is 6 point, okay. That's why take the help of compass and take like this, look here, arc, this one is 6.4, okay. Then directly like this measure 6.4, okay, long arc, and cut from this L to, okay, this line, that 90 degree line one, okay, like this cut, okay. And then wherever it cut that point, put here N, okay, this N, and now join it, okay. See here, that's the diagonal, and join like this, put the ruler like this, okay, and join like this, okay. And see here, okay, in L, and now cut this like this, okay. See here, this is the diagonal, okay, and it is of 6.4, right here 6.4 centimeter, clear. And then again, we know opposite sides are equal in rectangle, that's why I am taking this side is 5.2, look, 5.2 here is, okay. Then I'm cutting from this, okay, and to this side, look here children, this side, okay. Like this you have to cut arc, okay, like this. This is the arc length of what, 5.2. Now one more that is left is that these two side, look here, this length is not given, but we have to understand that, look here, this side, the length of this side and this side will be equal, no, opposite sides are equal, that's why called the same arc like this, okay. This nk and this side one is equal, then put at the side, and now join this here like this, put ruler and see here once, okay, join it this line, and after that do this one, join here, okay, this side is joining now, okay, and join this is the required rectangle, okay. KL, this is M, and that N, okay. This is the process to draw a rectangle, okay, of this type. Okay students, here I have taken the next type of rectangle in which two diagonals, okay, length will be same, no? One diagonal is given and angle between them is also given. For that, first of all, draw here one diagonal whose length is 9 centimeter, okay, and mention here length is okay, S, okay, U, and it is 9 centimeter here. As we know that another diagonal also will be 9 centimeter, and now they are bisected also, that's why we are taking here more than half arc and more than half arc taking and cutting here, here up also like this, and we are cutting down also, okay, like this we are cutting arc, and now from here U also we are cutting here like this up also, and we are cutting down also, look here, and cutting down also, okay, and it is bisected now, and with the help of ruler we are joining this bisected, okay, arc one. Look here, ruler put like this, and join in three places, here one and here middle one. Okay, this is middle one here, and where it is middle one, right? Look here. At that point, take one appropriate arc in compass, okay, and put here, okay. Then now with the help of this, look here, take one arc here like this, and we have to put the compass at 0 degree because we are cutting here another arc for 60 degree, because angle between the two diagonal is given there 60 degree, right? Now let's join it. This one 60 degree, right? Put the ruler straight, okay, put it down, and this up, okay, see like this, okay. Now draw here long like this diagonal, okay, right? And now with the help of this compass, we have to take this half, okay. This was the half of this previous diagonal, it is 4.5, okay. The same will be here also. That's why we are cutting this, look here, this diagonal, okay, like this, cut 4.5, and up also cut 4.5 like this, okay. This also cut here 4.5, okay. Then its name will look as T, put here as T, and here's U, this is V, okay. And now join them with the help of ruler. Let's put the ruler, okay, like this. See, this is, we are joining T and U. We are joining T and U like this. Put ruler and join this T and U, okay, like this join. And similarly here let's join S and B, okay, join like this S and B. And similarly now join, this is V and U. V and U also we have to join. See here, like this join here, and this is joining here, okay, like this join here, and similarly here also join like this join, okay. Then we got here, look, STUV is a required rectangle, okay. This is S and this is T and this is U and V. STUV is the required rectangle, and angle between them is given there. This is 60 degree, okay. Right, like this we have to construct this type of rectangle. I hope you understood it.